Hey everyone, Steph here from Anna's, and today we're talking about the 3 most common types of ferns and how to differentiate them. So they all have 3 different types of care with them, and they look similar, so we want to help you find which one is best for your own home. We'll start off with the Boston fern, which is definitely one of the most popular ferns we've got here. This fern, you can tell the type of fern it is by how light and fluffy the foliage is, and if you give it a nice little shake, it's fluffy, bouncy, and light foliage. So this green is a nice light green with pretty leaves there. This fern is known to be a shade-loving or partial sun-loving fern. So people often buy the Boston fern to put in the sun, but they get burnt leaves and burnt foliage, so you don't want that. They can be kept with evenly moist soil and fertilizer every 2 weeks with an even 20-20-20 fertilizer. So this is the Boston fern, part sun and evenly moist soil. Next, we'll go with the Kimberly Fern. This one is what always gets confused with the Boston fern because of the similar leaves. If you notice, this one's got a little bit darker foliage and they're more upright and straight leaves. So these ones tend not to prop over. So if you give this one a shake, it's less bouncy and fluffy and more upright. So this one is a sun-loving fern. Kimberleys can stay in full sun all day, but they also like evenly moist soil and to be fertilized every 2 weeks with 20-20-20 even fertilizer. This is the Kimberly Fern, full sun. Lastly, we have the Macho Fern. Macho Fern is given its name because of its huge leaves and how it grows so large. This one has nice deep green leaves. They're definitely modern and it grows more sporadically than a Kimberly or a Boston. Oftentimes it's mixed with other plants. This one's mixed with purple heart. And they're also shade-loving to partial sun-loving ferns. They like evenly moist soil, but do not let them dry out completely because they will let you know that they do not like that. They get burnt leaves. You can fertilize them every 2 weeks with 20-20-20 fertilizer as well. So all 3 of these ferns can be brought inside over the winter if you have enough space, and they just like to be kept in humidity. So if you spray them once in a while, keep them evenly moist and the right amount of sun, they should all succeed in your own home. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Bye guys!